ingredient garam masala. So now I have turned the heat on to medium, and let's start with the ingredients. This is cumin, and we have cinnamon stick, we have cardamom over here, then we have cloves, whole cloves, and then we have black peppercorn, and then we also have some bay leaf. And now the stove is on, and the most amount is going to be cumin seeds, and this is our garam masala. So I'm just going to start stirring everything, and basically we're just roasting for a few minutes. That's it. So I'm just going to take my roasted ingredients and blend them into a coffee grinder. This is just a coffee grinder where we do a lot of our blending of spices, actually. So it's very easy. You grab it. There we go, it's in the grinder, and we're going to start.